Alright, what up guys, it's Drew. I'm here making a video about making money in middle school and high school. These are really simple ways, and I know all you guys can probably do these things. The first category of making money is labor. Things like landscaping, car cleaning, plowing snow, stuff that we've all done. If you take these businesses and you grow them, you can actually make a lot of money. One thing I've done personally is car detailing. I've cleaned cars since I was 15 years old, and last summer I was making about $800 a week, and I was hiring kids to do jobs for me. These are things that you can start off when you're in middle school and you can grow even to when you get to high school. A buddy of mine does landscaping. I know his brother actually created a profession out of this. They're great ways to start your own business while you're in high school or middle school. The last thing about labor is a company my friend created called Coffee Connections. So he was always showing up late to school, and at my school if you're late you get a detention. So the way he'd get out around this is he would have kids pay him the day before, come early to school and buy coffees at Starbucks, and he would sell those coffees to the kids. Alright, my next category is resale. These are things a lot of high school kids do. I was really good at this, I think. One thing I was really into is paintball, and I always knew the prices of new guns and old guns, and I was really up to date. And if you're like this with your sport that you play or something that you do, you can make a lot of money. I remember I was flipping paintball guns for almost double the price at one point when I was really into paintball, but I stopped playing and I gave that up. But I was making $200 just by buying something on Craigslist, selling it on eBay, something simple like that. Alright, my last thing is online businesses. These are businesses where you create websites or Instagram pages, or you can use websites like Fiverr or Redbubble. Fiverr is something where you can post your talents, and people can pay you from $5 to like $100 for editing videos, voice recordings, really simple stuff. Really great way to make money. Redbubble is, if you're an artist and you graphic design really good. My brother's making $1,000 off Redbubble. So what you do is you post stickers and stuff, people buy them. It's a really great way to make passive income. I really suggest you check that out. And my last thing is like Amazon links and personal branding. So if you got a website or a blog that you grow the right way, you can post Amazon affiliate links, and people, if they buy off your links after they click it, you're making money, and you're just posting about something you like let's say you're into health or fitness or video games. You can just write a blog or post videos on YouTube. Really great way to make money. Alright guys, those are some simple things. If you like this type of stuff, check out my YouTube channel, and I really appreciate it if you hit me with a like. Peace.